Hey guys, so I have some finished projects that I want to show you guys here shortly. I have been really busy, and so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I am in the middle of finishing up this rainbow colored hat. It's so pretty. Look how shiny. This is one of my stitch markers. I have these in my shop. I don't have the butterfly, but I have some stitch markers in the shop. This is the one that you hook in it and then you pull it through and then it stays in place. But anyway, I've got to clip my tail. But I wanted to show you guys that I finally got it done. There is going to be a tutorial for this pattern coming up soon. I just wanted to show you, and this is a 3-weight yarn. I am using ice yarn in the Magic Glitz. This one is the rainbow color. They don't have colored names, but it says like orange, blue, purple, pink, yellow. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, it's a 3-weight. Is it upside down? Ah, yes it is. This is a 3-weight, 95% acrylic, 5% Lurex. And I am using a size 4.5 millimeter hook, which is a G. It's not going to show up. And this is one of those inline hooks. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this cute little beanie I just finished up, and tutorial to be coming soon. Thank you. Hey everybody, I got some more stuff I want to show you. Okay. So by the time you see this, I will have already loaded my new tutorial for this pink beanie. Yep. So cute. Very easy, very simple. Beginner friendly. Yeah. So you should see that tutorial already up. So I want to show you all the things that I've made so far this week. This not being one of them, but I am going to do a tutorial on this. I have a couple more that I've made that are using different textures and different types of yarn. So I will go ahead and show you those. So here's one with that. Like I said, I'm going to do a tutorial on this too. So here's one done with a sparkly brownish yarn. This is another one of those mystery yarns that was given to me, that was caked up, that didn't have the paper with it, but it has got the little shiny, and it's not glitter, it's the type of yarn that it is. It's got I want to say it's like a plastic, but see, acrylic is plastic anyway. It's a type of plastic, but this has got, it's like a shiny kind of yarn. But anyway, it's part of it. It's all one skein. So I made that headband similar to this. It's a little bit thinner. It's not as wide as this one. This one's actually, I did a different stitch on this one. And then this is made with, what's this one made with? Anyway, there's this. This one is made with, what is that called? Shawl ball. This one's made with shawl ball, but it is the same pattern as that one, and this is the pattern that I'm going to teach you guys, or I don't say teach you. This is a tutorial I'm going to do to show you how to do this project. But anyway, so yeah, so this is a different type of stitch as compared to this one. This is front post, back post, finished off with a single crochet. Start out with a chain single crochet, front post, back post, and then finish off with a single crochet. But this is triple, and if I do a tutorial, I may do it with this one to show you guys what I'm talking about when it's triple thread. You know how you can take 2 pieces of thread, I'll show you on this one, 2 pieces of yarn like this and crochet with it? Well, this is triple because it's a thinner yarn, and I used a 6 millimeter hook to crochet with this one. But the way that it tripled up, it just looked really pretty, I thought. I like how it turned out. Anyway, so I made that headband / ear warmer. I made This is the brown hat that's similar to the pink one I showed you in the beginning. Same thing. This is the one that I'm going to show you the tutorial on. But I like how this turned out. This was Red Heart Super Saver Stripes in the, I think Cafe Latte was the name of this one, I believe. And it looks like I did it on purpose. I just love how this turned out. There's that one. And then here's another one that I'm probably going to do a tutorial on soon that I made up. So I made this hat and I finished it off with a ribbing. I think that turned out really cute. This is a little beanie. And then here is one that I did. This is Red Heart Super Saver, but it's a messy bun hat, which means I used an elastic. And if you guys are interested in wanting to know how I do these too, I will show you how to do these. And then this one is, I did a little different. This one's got 5 spaces. This says 2, and then there's 5, and then there's 2, and then there's 5. So I did this one a little different from the pink one. The pattern is slightly different. This is symmetrical. This one is not. Okay. So then using the same yarn, I did a different stitch on this one. I did like a, what they call like a shell stitch on it. I do the basic top and then I do whatever pattern I want to do. And then at the bottom I did what's called the crab stitch, but actually it's a reverse single crochet, but it's called the crab stitch. So that's how I finished it off. I like how that turned out too. Yep. So if you're interested in me doing a tutorial on this one, let me know and I will do that as well. Or the brown one. And then last but not least, this one, I think I just did the V-stitch on this one. But look at the sparklies. Isn't that great? I paired this, oh, and it is a messy bun hat as well. It's got an elastic in it. So y'all know I wear the buns, so this is perfect for me, for someone who wears buns or someone who has a ponytail. You can put your ponytail through it. You can put anything through it. It's really nice. So, and then I finished this off with just a single crochet. And how I did this was I used double Caron Simply Soft, and then I used a single strand of this sequins yarn. But, and all that sparkly and blingy that you see, it's not white, it's actually sparkly blingy. It's all black, but it's all sparkly blingy. But I like how that one's so pretty. That'd be something just stylish to wear. So far since I showed you my last tutorial, or not tutorial, the last video that I did of an update of stuff that I made was like, what, about 4 or 5 days ago? Or maybe it was last week. So I finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hats and 2 headbands. Oh, good grief, that's a lot. So, yeah, so I did that. And I'll be back to show you more. All right, it's Christmas Eve, and we have Ellie. We have our tree with tons of presents all around it with our Santa Claus. We got laundry to put away. Little Christmas pillows out. There's little Ramsey, but this is what I want to show you. Ellie. Boo Boo Kitty, Copper, and Midnight. They've started a kitty train. His butt ends, his butt starts, and then there's, yeah, too funny. I got a kitty train. I have to take a picture of that. All right, guys, I have to put this out there. I was not planning on doing another TikTok tonight, but I have to put this out there. Have you guys seen... call it clickbait? No. More like adult playtime. Some of these TikTokers, it's so addictive. You see one and they do their sexual dance, because that's what it is, guys. It is a sexual dance. You see them do their sexual dance, and then you click on their profile and you watch video after video, and next thing you know, you're going down rabbit holes. Like, okay, I'm gonna follow them. And then these are people like put daily, and it's the men and the women, mostly the lesbian women. that are just as sexy as the straight men. I haven't seen any of the gay men TikToks where they're very sexual and doing the dances and stuff. And like, you want to jump the bones to the screen, right? So leave me a comment below and let me know who I need to follow if I'm not already following them, because I have fallen down that TikTok rabbit hole. Yeah, it's, oof. Yeah, let me know, cause, mama like.